Backing up a school database is a critical practice for several important reasons. Data loss prevention. The primary purpose of database backups is to prevent data loss. In the event of hardware failures, software bugs, user errors, or data corruption, having a backup allows you to restore your database to a point in time before the issue occurred. Without backups, you risk losing valuable occur. Disaster recovery. Natural disasters such as fires, floods, or earthquakes can physically damage servers and data centers. In such catastrophic events, having off-site backups ensures that you can recover your data and minimize downtime. Ransomware and cyber attacks. Cybersecurity threats like ransomware attacks can encrypt or compromise your data. Backups provide a way to recover your data without paying a ransom or suffering from data loss. Testing and development. Backups are useful for creating development and testing environments that mirror your production data. You can use a copy of your production database to test new features, troubleshoot issues, or develop and validate code changes without affecting the live data. Compliance and legal requirements. Many industries and organizations are subject to regulatory requirements that mandate data retention and protection. Regular backups help meet these compliance standards by ensuring data availability and integrity. Historical data. Backups allow you to retain historical data, which can be useful for auditing, trend analysis, and reporting purposes. You can restore a database to a specific point in time to access historical records. Database migration and upgrades. When migrating to a new server or performing database upgrades, backups serve as a safety net. They allow you to revert to the previous state if migration or upgrade issues arise. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the world of SQL Server backups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more valuable tutorials and insights. Your data safety is in your hands. Keep it secure, keep it backed up. Until next time, happy data managing